What if your body already knows how to repair itself, but you are missing the raw materials? Most people think healing is slow. They think recovery takes years. They think aging is permanent. But science shows something very different. There are specific foods that flip repair signals inside your body. They support cells, reduce silent inflammation, and speed up recovery from the inside out. Today, I'm sharing 3 powerful superfoods that help your body repair itself faster than you think, and most people either ignore them or use them the wrong way. Stay till the end, because the third one surprises almost everyone. Your body is constantly breaking down and rebuilding. Every second, cells are damaged, and every second, your body tries to repair them. The speed of that repair decides how fast you recover, how young you feel, how strong your immune system is, how quickly inflammation settles down. Let's talk about the foods that directly support that repair system. Superfood number 1, avocados. Avocados are not just healthy fats, they are cell repair fuel. They provide monounsaturated fats that repair cell membranes, potassium for nerve and muscle recovery, vitamin E that protects cells from oxidative damage. Your cells are surrounded by membranes made of fat. When those membranes are damaged, signals break down. Avocados help rebuild those membranes so nutrients can enter and waste can leave. This is why people who eat avocados regularly often notice better skin recovery, less joint stiffness, more stable energy. How to use? Half an avocado daily with meals works best. Superfood number 2, blueberries. Blueberries are repair protectors. They are packed with anthocyanins, compounds shown to reduce cellular inflammation, protect DNA from damage, and support brain repair and memory. Most damage happens silently through oxidative stress. You don't feel it until it accumulates. Blueberries slow that process dramatically. Research shows regular blueberry intake improves muscle recovery, brain signaling, and insulin sensitivity. How to use? A small handful daily, fresh or frozen. Superfood number 3, leafy greens, spinach and kale. This is the one most people underestimate. Leafy greens are repair coordinators. They provide magnesium for muscle and nerve repair, folate for DNA rebuilding, and vitamin K for tissue healing and circulation. Your body cannot repair without minerals, and magnesium deficiency is extremely common in the US. Low magnesium slows healing, increases pain, and raises inflammation. Leafy greens quietly fix that problem. How to use? 1 to 2 cups daily, cooked or raw. Important truth. No superfood works alone. These foods work best when you sleep consistently, blood sugar stays stable, and chronic inflammation is reduced. Food sends signals. Consistency turns those signals into results. Finally, I will say this. Healing is not about age, it's about supply. When your body has what it needs, it repairs faster than you expect. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who cares about their health.